Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Shopify to your Wix website. Whether you want to sell products on Wix using your Shopify store or just embed a button, this guide is all you need. So, first of all, let's answer a common question. Can you connect Shopify and Wix directly? The answer is not through native apps. But yes, you can integrate Shopify into Wix using Shopify buy buttons, product embeds, or links. It's perfect if you want to use Wix for design and Shopify for secure checkout and inventory. Now set up your Shopify buy button. First of all, search for shopify.com, then log into your admin dashboard. Click login. From the side from the sidebar, click sales channels, then click buy button. If you don't see it, click app and sales channel settings and search for buy button and click on it and install this app. Now click create a buy button. Now choose product buy button to link a single product. Collection by button for multiple items. Select one from here. Now select your product, then click next. Customize layout like your layout style, basic, full view, look like that. Once done, click next in the top right corner. And now copy HTML code from here. Copy the code. Now head over to your Wix editor. Search for Wix. Log into your Wix account. Now choose your site from here. Click edit site. Now wait a few seconds. Once you are in the editor, click the plus icon, scroll down and click embed and social. From the right side, click embed code and now adjust the box uh, like that. Resize the box and click enter code and paste the HTML code you copied from Shopify. Then click update. That's it. You can adjust the iframe like that. Resize and reposition the widget to fit your design. You can place it inside any page, section, or even a lightbox pop-up. Once done, click publish from the right side corner. and click Save and Continue. From here, you have now successfully embedded your Shopify product into your Wix site. If you don't want to use the full buy button, here's another method. Use buy now links from Shopify. Like exist, then search for buy now button in Shopify. Click create a buy button and follow the instruction from here. But which I showed you, this was very easy method. Link it to your Shopify product or checkout page. Create a call to action button in Wix like shop now. Go to Wix website. Now scroll down, click the plus icon, then click buttons, then choose one from here like buy button. Click on it and go back to Shopify and go to product section. Select your product, copy the link from here and follow the process after upgrade your Wix plan. Now test your site on mobile in Wix. Click mobile icon to preview your site. Make sure the embedded buy button looks clean and fits the screen. Here are a few extra tips. Use Shopify Lite if you only need buy buttons. Track conversions using Shopify Analytics. Combine this with Wix marketing tools for better engagement. And that's it. You have now connected Shopify to Wix and can start selling products right from your Wix website with Shopify powerful checkout system. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other Shopify or Wix tutorials you would like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.